And the bacon, takes it over the top. Really good. Welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. Look at this. This is my new apron. I got a big kick out of this. I bought it just like this. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you guys. Anyway, I'm gonna make a corn dip. There it is. Let me bring you in closer and I'll show you how I'm gonna make it. So right here I have my crock pot. That's how I'm gonna make it. It's gonna be so much easier. Right here I have two 15-ounce cans of corn, whole kernel corn. This is half of a red bell pepper. This is one diced jalapeno. This is 2 green onions. This is 1 package of ranch salad dressing. This is 1 teaspoon of garlic. This is 1 8-ounce brick of cheddar cheese. Now I reserved a little bit of this as a topping. So I just put a little bit to the side. This is 4 ounces of Monterey Jack cheese. Now I'm going to give this a mix real quick. This smells so good. Now I'm going to add 8 ounces of cream cheese. And this is 8 ounces of sour cream. Now I'm going to cover it. I set it on high and I'm going to cook it for 2 hours. Now these are 5 slices of cooked bacon. I chopped them up. They're nice and crunchy. I'm not going to add them until much later. This has been 2 hours. Now I'm going to give it a good stir. I cannot wait to taste this. Okay, so I just want to let you guys know I added a little bit of the bacon to this piece and I've already tasted it. It is so good. It really, really has a good flavor. This is a great dip. Lots of flavor. So what I'm going to do is add the extra cheese and the bacon on the very top when I take it to the location that I'm taking it to. I'm going to a birthday party. So that way, the presentation, it's going to have the topping of the bacon and the cheese on the very top. This is really good. And the bacon, takes it over the top. Really good. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you next time.